Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically blur just the background of your videos. This only works with if you have a person in your video like this, for instance. You want to blur the background, so you are just going to copy and paste your video like so. Go to cutout and you are going to select the auto cutout section on the second video, the overlay one. Then you're going to go back to your original video, go to effects, and you're going to search for the blur effect. It's under lens, which is here. Where's that blur effect? Select it and drag it and place it only to the inside of the first video. You can adjust the blur if you don't want it too blurry because it looks super fake like that. I'm just going to blur it just a little bit, and yeah, that is it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!